Today we will learn how to form the greatest and the smallest number with the help of given digits. So in this we will learn to form the greatest and the smallest number, 3-digit number. Okay? We will be given some digits and we will form greatest and smallest number. So let us start with the help of example. Suppose if we are given any 3 digits. In this case you can see there are 3 different digits. Here it is given 7, next digit is 8 and one more digit is there 5. So we have got 3 different digits. Now what we have to do? We have to form the greatest digit, greatest number and the smallest number by using these 3 digits. So first of all, let us form the greatest number. So children, to form the greatest number, first of all, we will pick up the digit which is greatest. So tell me which digit is greatest out of these 3. So digit 8 is the greatest among these 3 digits. So we will put 8 here. Okay. Now next step is to pick up the digit which is just smaller than the digit 8. So after 8 we are left with 2 digits, that is 7 and 5. Now let us see which digit is just smaller. The digit which is just smaller than the digit 8. So we can see the digit 7 is just smaller than 8. Though 5 is also smaller, but we will not take 5. Why? Because 5 is not the just smaller. 7 is just smaller than 8. So we will take 7. Okay. Now third digit is 5. So we will put 5 here. So we have got the greatest number and the greatest number is 875. So children, what we did? First of all, we have taken the number which is the greatest. We have put it at the first place. Then next we have taken the number which is just smaller than the greatest number. That is, we have taken 7. 7 is just smaller than digit 8. Next we have taken 5 because we are left with only one digit. So we have put 5. So using these 3 digits, we have arranged these digits in such a way that we have got the greatest number. Okay. Now we will see how to form smallest number. Now we will see how to form smallest number. So here children, which is the smallest number out of 3? Out of these 3, 5 is the smallest number. So we will put 5. Now we will see that which number is just bigger than the digit 5. So here we are given 2 digits, 7 and 8. Though digit 8 is greater, 8 is the greatest, but we are not going to take 8. Why? Because we have to take the digit which is just greater, not the greatest. The digit which is just greater than the digit 5. So we will take 7. And the last, we will put the digit which is the greatest, and that is 8. So here we have got the smallest number. Using these 3 digits, we have formed a 3-digit number, that is 578. This is the smallest number that we have formed using these 3 digits. Children, if you have noticed, then you can easily tell what is the difference between these two. What is the difference between these two? Here you can see the number is 875 and here you can see smallest number is 578, which is just opposite of this greatest number. Okay. So you can simply write 875. So you can just reverse the digits and you can form the smallest number. So you can do this way also. Okay. Now let us look at another example. Now again we are given 3 different digits. And now using these 3 digits we have to form a 3-digit greatest number and smallest 3-digit number. So again what we are going to do? First of all, let us start with the greatest number. Here children, now in these digits we have to check which is the greatest digit. Greatest digit is 5. So first of all we will put 5. Okay. Then we are left with 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Now we have to see which digit is just smaller than the digit 5. So it is 1. 0 is also smaller, but the digit which is just smaller than 5 is 1. So we are going to put 1. Okay. Now we are left with 1 digit, that is 0. So we will simply put it at last place. Okay children. So this is the greatest number that we have formed, 510. This is the greatest 3-digit number that we have formed using these 3 different digits. Now in this way, let us see which number is the smallest. Okay. So children, now here you can't do this, which I told you in this part, that you can also write the numbers in reverse. Okay, but in this part you can't write the numbers in reverse. Means you can't write 015. If you write 015, then you won't get smallest number. Okay, so let us see how to write. To form smallest number, what we are going to do? First of all, we are going to write you will say that we should write the digit 0. Yes children, you all must be saying that ma'am, we should put the digit 0 here. Why? Because you will say that 0 is the smallest. But children, we are not going to put 0. Suppose if we put 0 here, then what will happen? You will say that here should be 0 and here 1 and here it should be 5. Okay, suppose if we write in this way, then this is not the 3-digit number. Okay, if we write 015, then this becomes 2-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. This is not a 3-digit number. So this is wrong. We are not going to do like this. So what we are going to do? So we will not write, whenever we have got 0, then we will not write 0 in the first place while forming the smallest number. Though 0 is smaller, but we will not write 0 in the first place. So always remember, whenever there is 0, we will write 0. We will take 0 in the second position. So which number is greater? Just greater than 0, that is 1. So we will take the digit 1. Okay. Now we will put the digit 0. So whenever there is 0 and we have to form a smallest number, then we will never take it at never take it at first place. We will always put it at the next place. So we have put the 0 here. Now we are left with the digit 5. So we will put the digit 5 here. So number 105 is the smallest number that we have formed using these 3 different digits. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this. Well, now try to do the exercises on your own.